This video shows how to manage source code using EGit in eSquare Studio if your development project uses the version control system Git. First, install or update EGit. EGit is an open-source Eclipse plugin. Open the Install dialog from the Install New Software menu. Enter the EGit update site in the Work With field and click the Add button. In the Add Repository dialog, enter an appropriate name such as EGit Updates in the Name field and click the Add button. In the Install dialog, select Git Integration for Eclipse in the Name field and click the Next button. Confirm the modules to be installed and click the Next button. Read the software agreement, check I accept the terms and click the Finish button. Restart eSquare Studio after the installation or update is complete. Next, clone the remote repository and create a local repository. Open the Git perspective in the Open Perspective dialog and click Clone a Git repository. In the Clone Git repository dialog, enter the location of the remote repository in the URL field and click the Next button. If there are multiple branches, select one and click the Next button. Enter the location of the local repository in the Directory field and click the Finish button to create the repository. Next, import the project from the local repository. In the Import dialog, select Projects from Git and click the Next button. Select Existing Local Repository and click the Next button. Confirm the repository location and click the Next button. Confirm the projects to be imported and click the Next button. Click Finish to import the project. Next, commit the modified source files. Open the Git perspective and click the Add All Files including not selected ones to the Index button on the Git Staging tab. Enter the changes in the Commit Message field and click the Commit and Push button. Confirm the contents of the Push Results dialog and click the Close button to commit. Git behavior can be configured in Version Control Git in the Preferences dialog. Note that detailed instructions for using EGit can be found in the application note How to use EGit in eSquare Studio. A link to the application note can be found in the description section of this video.